All right, let's take a little cruise here in a 96 Cadillac ElDorado.
It's a Caddy.
It's a Caddy. That's it, man. This one's only got 17,000 miles on it.
This was Grandma's car, and unfortunately she couldn't drive any, not my grandma, but somebody's grandma.
Yep.
Couldn't drive anymore, and that's sometimes we get cars like that through conservatorships and family that they have to help the family get rid of the old cars.
Yep. And it's not too bad, man. It's, you know, it's got the 4.6 liter Northstar with 275 horsepower, you know, and it's got all the power accessories, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 4-speed automatic overdrive. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I mean, and
it's a comfortable car, you know.
Oh yeah, this is a cruiser, definitely.
4-speed automatic. It's got cruise control, of course. AM, FM cassette.
Yeah,
old cassette.
There's the old seat. Yeah, you know, I got some cassettes. No.
These are comfortable though. They're just it's kind of a heavy car. It's front-wheel drive, you know, with the V8, so it floats. I mean, my dad had one of these, and I loved it actually. It was a really nice, smooth car to drive, and it's still a Cadillac.
That's right.
Lots of leather.
Yep. No, it's a good, nice little cruiser. It's quiet, it's got power windows. I mean,
yeah, it's 26 years old. I mean, you know, and it was always maintained. I've got service records. It was a Southern California car since new.
Yep.
As well, so you know, there's no rust or anything like that in it.
Uh-oh, he's turning now. It's all your fault.
Follow us.
We're gonna be in trouble.
At least he can't hear us coming.
Yeah. Exactly. Like usual, yeah. You know, let's take the Hellcat out. Yeah.
It's a windy day here in
they've already.
today.
Oh, look at, there's no signal
That's
here.
Why.
Look at that.
Four-way stop. Dude.
Yep. No signal. Yeah, that's what happens. You know, we get wind out here. They just say, yeah, we're just gonna turn off electricity. No big deal. Yeah. You don't need it, right?
You don't need it.
Yeah. Anyways, yeah. So this car, yeah, nice cruiser. Inexpensive. I think, yeah, what, it's a $59.50 or something like that?
Exactly. What you can get for $5,000 that's this comfortable with low mileage.
And it looks halfway decent.
It looks nice,
I mean,
too.
yeah, that's the thing, you know, that's nice. Alrighty, coming up to the picture.
Here's a nice little driver. It's a 1996 Cadillac ElDorado, little sport coupe. This was owned by an elderly woman, and it's only got 17,600 miles on it. She bought it brand new. We have all the books and records, and Southern California car since new. Very nice condition. I mean, low miles. The leather's got a little wear in it from getting in and out. A lot of short trips to the market and back, but that's about it. I mean, you know, the wheels and the paint are original, nice condition. It's got the 4.6 liter Northstar engine with a 4-speed automatic transmission. And all the goodies that Cadillacs usually have, you know, full leather interior, cruise control, power seats, power windows. You know, it's got memory seats actually, power locks, tilt wheel. That's a Cadillac. They pretty much had everything, everything you wanted. Headliner's in nice shape. Like I said, a little wear on the seats, but not bad. No rips or tears or anything like that. Back seat's probably never been sat in. But they're front-wheel drive and very comfortable, great for a road trip. Not bad on gas mileage. You probably get 17 miles a gallon or something, but you know, it does have a big V8 in it. Nice color for this car too. Here's the power plant in the 96 ElDorado. Yeah, these are Northstar V8s, 32 valves, 275 horsepower. Actually pretty good little engines. It's like a sideways Corvette style engine in there. Front wheel drive, as I mentioned, power steering, power brakes, all the goodies. This one's got a brand new battery in it, just passed emissions and safety checked. Real clean. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Nice smooth runner. These are. It looks like a 17,000 mile engine. Real clean under the hood. Even got a little Cadillac strip there on the padding. We'll walk around the back here so you can listen to that. It's got dual exhaust. Little chrome accent, little chrome trim here and there. Sounds pretty good. Nice little car. Well, if you want to come out and see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. And you can speak to myself, Rich or Gary. Be happy to show you the car, and we can get you ship this out to you too if you're out of state or out of country. Not a problem. All right, thanks for watching.